Okay, as you can see here, this is my Macintosh Plus 8 MHz Motorola 68000 CPU, a full megabyte of RAM, 9-inch monochrome CRT screen, 800K floppy drive, and so on. And what I'm trying to do is, I dug up an old copy of Microsoft Works, I believe it, no, not Microsoft Works, Microsoft Office for Macintosh, and I believe it's version 6. And what I'm trying to do is install it on here, and every time I try and do it, it gives me a ridiculous error message, and I'll show you what it says in just a minute here. As you can see here, there's the setup. So every time I try and run setup here, operating system error. This software requires system 6.0.4 or later. Upgrade your operating system to use this software. Well, there's really no need for me to upgrade my operating system, considering the fact I am currently running system 6.0.4 on this computer. And to prove it to you, it says right here in About the Finder. It's right there. I don't know if you could see that, but it says System 6.0.4. So, that's why I think that error message was kind of ridiculous there. But maybe it was just like a glitch or something that I'm not aware of. And that is my cell phone, if you can hear it in the background, which I'm not going to pick up. But it is time to end the video. So there you go. If you know what that error message happens to mean, even if I do have a correct operating system on here, then please let me know.